Hello kids, welcome to Shorts Up, where learning is fun. Let's learn about farm animals. Today we're gonna learn about cows, horses, pigs, sheep, chickens and goats. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover and hay. Fun fact about cows, cows can smell things up to 6 miles away.
Whoa!
Horses can eat grass, hay, corn and oats. They also like to eat fruits and vegetables. Fun fact about horses sleep standing up. A baby pig is called a piglet. Wild pigs will eat leaves, roots, fruits and rodents.
Whoa!
Fun fact about pig can't sweat. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants and seeds. Fun fact about sheep have rectangular pupils. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chicken eat grass, bugs, fruits, vegetables and even table scraps. Fun fact about chicken dreams when they sleep. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay and grain. Fun fact about goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.